The most promising ultra-luxury residential project is taking shape right here at Raidurgam, Gachibowli. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. I'm Abhinav from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. I'm excited about the pace at which the construction is happening, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 10th April 2026. The project comprises of 3 towers, and each tower has 4 level basements. In Tower 1, 4 basements and still floor are 100% completed. First to 43rd floor works are 100% completed. The 44th floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, 4 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 45th floor are 100% completed. The sky deck level 1 works are in progress. In Tower 3, 4 basements and still floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 41st floor are 100% completed. The 42nd floor works are in progress. The clubhouse raft works are 100% completed. All the 4 basement level works are 100% completed. Ground floor level works are 100% completed. The first floor level works are 100% completed. The second floor works are in progress. Our endeavor is to ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and to provide you regular monthly insights of IRIS project progress.